Tomorrow I die. And today I must unburden my soul. Yes, you may not believe. Perhaps you should not. But listen. Listen, and you shall hear how I have been destroyed. When I was a child, I had a natural goodness of soul which led me to love animals. All kind of animals, but especially those animals we call pets. Animals which have learned to live with humans and share their homes with them. I was quite young when I married. My wife shared the same passion. Soon, our home was filled with birds, goldfish, a fine dog, and a cat. The cat was a beautiful animal of unusually large size and entirely black. I named the cat Pluto, and it was the pet I liked best. He was mine alone. He followed me like a shadow. It was love, true love. But over time, something changed. I began to drink too much wine and other strong drinks. As the days passed, I became less loving in my manner. I became quick to anger. I forgot how to smile in love. I beat my wife. I struck my pets. Yet Pluto, loyal Pluto, still remained until one night. He ran from me. He feared me. My friend, avoiding me. I took a small knife out of my coat and opened it. Then I took the poor animal by the neck, and with a one quick movement, I cut out one of its fear-filled eyes. He healed, but he feared me now, fled at my approach, and I hated him for it. One day, in cold blood, I tied the noose. I hugged him in the cellar with tears in my eyes. Yes, I wept because I knew he had loved me, because I knew I had damned my soul. Fire! The house engulfed in flame. We barely escaped. Watched it collapse. But in the ruin, on a single wall still standing, I saw it burn into the plaster. A figure hanging, black, Pluto. Month passed. One night, at the inn, I saw it. A black cat. Large, familiar. I offered to buy it from the innkeeper, but he claimed he had never seen the animal before. As I left the inn, it followed me. It soon became a pet of both my wife and myself. The morning after I brought it to home, however, I discovered that this cat, like Pluto, had only one eye. How was it possible that I had not noticed in the night before?
Oh, look at him, he's perfect.
She adored it, but I began to hate it. It haunted me, slept on my chest, crept into my dreams, and always it followed me.
Come quickly, I need help down here.
As I went down the stairs, the cat, following me as always, ran under my feet and nearly threw me down. In sudden anger, I took a knife and I struck wildly at cat. Quickly, my wife put out her hand and stopped my arm.
Stop! What are you?
This only increased my anger, and without thinking, I turned and put the knife point deep into her heart. She fell on the floor and died without a sound. Behind the cellar wall, an old chimney, unused, I walled her up, bricks by bricks. Perfect. No trace. Days passed. Still, there was no cat. A few people came and asked about my wife, but I answered them easily. Then one day, several officers of police came.
We'll need to inspect your house.
By all means, officer. The house is well built, especially these cellar walls. Solid as a
Break it down!
There she was, and on her head, that thing. I had sealed my fate with my own voice. I summoned justice, and the black cat, the beast I thought destroyed, had watched and waited, crying out its revenge.